Hi there, I'm Kelly from Owl Labs. Today, I'm going to teach you how to update the software on all of your Owl Labs devices by scheduling updates for them using the Nest. For written instructions or for troubleshooting any issues you might come across while watching this video, you can continue reading below. It's really important that you keep your devices updated to the latest software version, not only to ensure their best performance, but also so that you have access to our newest features, security patches, bug fixes, and more. Remember, we only want safe and secure owls out in the wild. The easiest way to keep your devices updated to the latest software version consistently is by letting them receive our automatic software updates that we send overnight between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. in your local time zone, so you never need to worry about these interrupting a meeting. You can enable your devices to receive these updates by plugging it into power and leaving it connected to Wi-Fi overnight. By the time you get back to your device in the morning, it'll be ready to go with the latest software. With that, let's talk about how to schedule software updates for your devices using the Nest. For the time that you're scheduling updates, make sure that your devices are plugged into power and connected to Wi-Fi in order to successfully receive the update. To start scheduling, visit nest.owllabs.com in your browser, then log into your Nest account. Select the Devices tab from the top navigation pane. If there's a software update available for your device, you should see a little orange alert symbol in the software version column. If there's already a scheduled update for a device, you'll see a little calendar symbol in this column as well. You can select any number of devices to schedule an update for. You can either scroll through the list of devices and check them off as you go, or use the search bar in the top right to look for devices by their name or serial number. Once you've checked off all the right devices, select the Actions dropdown at the top of the page, then select Schedule Software Update. You have the option to give your update a name if it's helpful to organize all of your scheduled updates this way. You might want to name updates based on the date, office location, or you can skip that step. Next, you'll select the date and time for your scheduled update. When choosing this, keep in mind that this date and time will apply to each device's local time zone. This way, it's easier to make sure that you're scheduling an update at a time when the devices aren't in use. If we don't have an approximate location for your device, the default time zone is Eastern Standard Time. When you're done, select Save. You'll receive an email reminder 24 hours before your scheduled updates. Then failed updates will appear on your Nest dashboard. Otherwise, all scheduled updates were successful. Thanks for tuning in. As a reminder, you can find helpful information below this video, such as help articles or how to reach us if you have any questions or issues. You can chat with us on owllabs.com or send an email to hello@owllabs.com and we're happy to help you. Bye for now.